Hello everyone, this is Fosan JHR company. We are professional manufacturer for the sliding gates, swing gates, and the fence so on. We can offer customized service. Client can choose the design, colors, and the size. Today we are also share some of the details of the sliding gate. They need designs. We offer lots of classes and components to further enhance the aesthetic appeal of your home. Manufactured from the high-quality aluminum alloy, guaranteeing to resist rust, corrosion, and hard weather conditions. Many upkeep requirements which saves the time and expense on the maintenance. And the lightweight construction make it easier to handle and store. We offer a lot of styles, colors, and finishes are available to match your home decor.